All right, let's go into trading. This coming week, I'm looking at some number of pairs that will be, you know, having a good rally. And then first on my list is GBP USD. Now, if we put GBP USD on the monthly time frame, you will discover that there were a lot of issues here starting from the month of July. Everybody just got kicked out from here, whether you buy, you sell, and all of that. So what I can see here is that GBP USD wanted to pull back to this side. Yes, definitely we should have a pullback to this side, maybe somewhere around here before we continue to buy up. There were obvious signs that that wanted to happen, but it didn't happen for reasons I don't know. So I'm seeing a double bottom right here on the higher time frame, which is the monthly. So what this is confirming to me is that this pullback from here to here that we're expecting is not going to happen anytime soon. It's not going to happen, and it may not happen. And what will happen here is that we'll continue these buys that already started will go up. Definitely, that's what I'm looking at, and certain that's going to happen. For now, the immediate thing we're looking at GBP USD now is I have this trend line drawn around here, which confirms to me with this weekly double bottom here that GBP USD is going to be bullish all the way to this side. So that's a lot of pips to take advantage of. And then when you draw it down to the daily, what you see at the immediate trend right now at the daily is that we're having a pullback, and this pullback is much so I will be taking advantage of this pullback right about here. I'll be taking advantage of this pullback. So this pullback is not much, just a 1:1. So we're going to be selling it. The overall trend is bullish, but inside bullish trends, you can see gets retracement. And if you want to catch it, I'm not a big fan of retracement, but if I see a very good one, I take advantage of it. The US dollar has been very strong, so I confirm it to myself and this technical analysis that GBP USD is going to be bullish. Yes, definitely is going to be. GBP USD is bullish, but right now we're having a bearish trend, so we're going to take advantage of this trade. So the daily has broken the trend line with a double top and the break of this previous support. So there's nothing, it's all confirmation here that will be coming down to this place regardless of what happened fundamentally. So next on my list is another trade I'm looking at is nzdjpy that has been bullish since November, early November. We have been bullish on this pair, and we have been so bullish on this pair. If we look at it on the weekly, you see start all this bullish movement from here all the way here. So we're having a pullback, and after the pullback we'll continue to go up. We'll continue the movement. So when I come to the daily time frame, and I have my trend line drawn like this, what will happen is I'm waiting for my trend line to break. If my trend line breaks, I will be good to go. I have my Fibonacci retracement. We are the 0.5 retracement. I'll just be waiting for my 4 hour to break. So when the market open, I don't know, maybe we could have, probably what could happen here is we may have a pullback to this area again before we now break here and then continue heading up. I don't know. Market can do anything it wants to do. So for now, we haven't broken this. Um, I have not broken this trend line, so I'll just be sitting on my hands and be waiting. For whatever reason, if we break it on Monday, fine. If we don't break it, we'll pull back here and then we'll break it. I'll be getting a bit. I'm not going to do anything from here. I'll just be waiting for this trend line to break on the 4 hour time frame. Then I will get in. Your first take profit is around here. When you take profit, take 50% profit from here and then allow the rest to run to this side, 92. So that's pretty much things I'm looking at for this coming week. And another one before I go, looking at eurocad. Looking at eurocad. So eurocad is the monthly has been bullish, but eurocad has finished its bullish movement. You want to have a major pullback. You want to get into a major pullback, and if we draw it from here, one, two, three, then the fourth touch got broken and is having a tough time, dropping down. It's having a tough time dropping down. I got in somewhere around here, 23rd of December. I was thinking we're going to drop, but then we meet this area and then respect it and go back. So what I'm looking at for here is that as long as we did not break above this line, and then we come to break this my trend line on that I'm drawing right about here. If we respect this line here and then we break here on the 4 hour, I'll be getting in to take profit here, but I was expecting it to drop down. So that's what I'm looking at from. That's what I'm looking at for this coming week, and that's the only thing I'm going to be looking at. Any other thing can continue whatever he's doing. I don't care. So that's much it. So I have a Telegram channel where I drop my trades. So this is just what I'm looking at for. And when the trade is ready, I may not come here to do a video again. I will just drop it on my Telegram channel. So I'm going to drop the link to my Telegram channel in the comment section. So if you are interested, you can just join the Telegram channel and click the notification bell so that anytime I drop a trade, you will see it and you can take advantage of it. It's free of charge. I'm not charging any money for it. I've been doing it for free of charge. So if you're interested in my analysis, if you're okay with the analysis, you can join the Telegram group. And anytime we take a trade, you're going to partake in it. Okay. So thank you so much for your time, and I hope to see you again next week. Peace out from me.